I am Renick Murray, and I am the coordinator and project lead for the regionally relevant chocolate equipment project. If you consider where the region is and the local market that is Trinidad and Tobago, but of course all of the other regional producers, we fall into the category of micro to small, and some of us to medium in terms of our producers of chocolate. Trinidad and Tobago is well renowned for its production of cocoa, but very little has been done beyond that. Even though we have high levels or high quality cocoa in terms of what we develop, there's very little in the way of machinery. In bridging that gap, it creates an opportunity, it affords the opportunity for the regional industry to move forward one step closer to the production of high level chocolate which we can export across the world. Many persons have asked, why have we done something like this? Why has the university found this to be interesting or taken on a challenge of this nature? And I said, this is exactly what the university should be doing. This is what we are doing. We are seeking to be relevant, and we are engaging our stakeholders, which is the wider region. And hence the reason why this project is now one of the key thrusts from the department. We are pressing forward to do something like this.
There's a difficulty with sourcing equipment that will allow them to move further along the value chain. Those machines either fall into two categories. One, there's the industrial size equipment, which is quite expensive, as often underused because farmers usually do not have the volume of raw materials necessary to run such equipment. Or there are smaller types of equipment, which are mostly tabletop and small batch, which again are too small to meet the requirements that the farmers have and are often not used because of that. With this project, we hope to be able to develop equipment that meets the niche needs of medium to small batch producers here in Trinidad and Tobago, and thus allow them to move along the value chain and improve the local industry.
My name is Adriana Kudan and I'm a mechanical engineer. So the machines we're developing cover the entire line, so from start to finish. For the machines, we have a cocoa picker, a fermenter dryer, a mulcher for the cocoa pods itself. We have a cocoa pod splitter, we have a winnower for beans, we have a roaster, we have a temperer, we have a melanger / conch machine. Our machines were designed with simplicity in mind, so it'll be easier for the farmers and the chocolatiers and anybody else along the way using it to maintain it and to use it. It was designed for our local farmers and our local chocolatiers.
My name is Robert Birch and I am an engineer. Basically, what I've been doing for the last 2 years is working along with Dr. Murray and Dr. Benjamin in creating an advisory group that help junior engineers in the design and the development of cocoa machinery. In this project, we have developed a lot of machinery, right? Innovative machines that use computer-aided engineering. At the model stage, as well as the prototyping stage. A lot of engineering has been done in developing these projects, and engineering is what we do best. It involves using SolidWorks, it involves using COMSOL, and it involves us testing the reliability and functionality of the pieces of equipment.
Hi, my name is Catherine Maharaj and I'm working as a project engineer on this project, and I do a lot of the designs of some of the machines that we're going to do in conjunction with Adriana and Dr. Murray. So we all work together. We are all very aware of what's happening right now in terms of the energy crisis and how much we have going on. So it was very important for us to actually be able to do the project and do the machines to use as least amount of energy as possible. And that would also mean that the prices could go down a bit and make it more accessible to the small to medium businesses.
I am Dr. Sulla Pemberton. I work in the Industrial Engineering Program. My research interest is in investigating the value streams of different indigenous industries.
Cocoa is one of those crops that we have in the Caribbean where we have never really derived the full value. We have markets for chocolate all over the world. New markets, growing markets. So what we did is that we looked at the entire value stream for chocolate products, particularly in the final product stage, so that we could derive more value. Tapping into and utilizing our resources, we can create our own technology and create a true industry for ourselves.